Assalamu alaikum. So today I've been, since afternoon watching media as usual, Pakistani media. And today Geo News is the channel I'm following through the news. Two really good uh, knowledge-based discussions came out of the media, Geo media. The first one is, of course, I'm right now watching Hamid Mir's Capital Talk, and Hamid Mir is one of my favorite journalists. I mean, there is something to it, it's an aura to it, which I think I would explain it. Because I don't understand that. Sometimes he would very lightly uh, highlight an issue while talking with especially politicians, and that's why I would say that the original creator of Masumana Sawal is really Hamid Mir. Just say if you don't have yet noticed that, start noticing, and you will feel that. I mean, he didn't say that. He would never say it's a Masumana Sawal, but I think this brilliant strategy of asking very simple question or raising a very simple point is, I mean, forte of Hamid Mir, and that's why I mean he's a very genuine journalist and the bravest one. Well, all journalists are really brave, knowledgeable, but Hamid Mir is somebody who is phenomenal. So he has Mushaid Hussain and Azaz Chowdhury's former secretary, and they talk really something important. They highlighted that Mushaid Hussain was a journalist. If somebody told me, because I knew him through his media appearances as a politician, maybe after graduating from Qaidul University. I mean, a brilliant leader. I could feel that. But he has so much qualities. I mean, his expression, especially in Urdu and English. I mean, he has a very bureaucratic way as well, which is amazing. But being a journalist and then politician, I mean, because I know journalists, they would be doing firefighting. They would be dealing with the news on the daily basis, and then devising solutions. I mean, that's different than how bureaucracy works. And then becoming a politician, I mean, then meeting anybody, and then of course I think he's heading the this China-Pakistan friendship center. Is this is near Shakarpadiya. This is so. I mean, yes, I mean, exceptional. I mean, Shahid Hussain Saab is somebody who is exceptional as far as I'm concerned. I mean, highly intellectual, highly candid. I mean, really puts an argument that at least so logical that I never found any loopholes in his arguments, and representing so much knowledge and personal perspectives about cultures. I mean, if you know today's program, he's talking about some cultural aspects as well, where he goes and then he will represent, he will notice, and it's amazing. And so he said that maybe Raw and ISI should sit together as they have been doing in the history as well. It's a great point. Yes, I mean when I mean crisis management perspective, it is great. But then Azaz Chowdhury, former Secretary Foreign Office, a career bureaucrat, a diplomat. I mean,